If you love late season fishing as much as I do, there's a couple things that are really important that you begin to practice and get into a normal routine with. You can see the flakes are flying here. We just got off the water and we're experiencing below freezing temperatures. So I'll trim those motors down and I'll let them drain for just a minute or so. But then I like to do one other thing. Now the key thing is I just bump these engines over just a little bit to get rid of the water that's in the water pump impeller housing. Then I'll go over to my big engine. That's it, just enough to clear that water pump housing of water, and we should be all set to trim them up, put our transom savers on. One other thing, the boats nowadays are coming, a lot of them with an automatic drain plug, and the one issue that you can run into in extreme conditions like this is that cable system can freeze on there. So in these conditions, I get in a habit of, instead of using the actual toggle that's on it, I'm gonna manually pull that drain plug out with the pliers. What that's gonna do is it's gonna save on the longevity of that whole drain system. Once again, you can't fight the ice, you just have to learn to live with it.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.